Well, in this video, I am going to teach you about things and countable nouns. Things mean any kind of lifeless item. Any kind of lifeless items we known as things. Here are some examples and how to use things under countable nouns. Here you can see I have written number 1 before all nouns. At that side I have written some numbers. At last 3 I have not written any numbers. I will show that why. This is the first one, table, singular. That side 3 tables, 1 fan, 4 fans, 1 bed, 5 beds, 1 tree, 6 trees. Here biologically, trees, flowers, leaves we consider as they have a life, right? But generally we consider these are lifeless item. So 1 tree here, singular, 6 trees, and this case 1 ball, I have not written any numbers, but it is plural, balls, because it has not counted. 1 car, cars, more than 1, still not counted. That's why I have not written any numbers here. That last one also, 1 flower, flowers, cars, balls, those are plural. I have not written numbers here because still not counted. We can count, but this side we can count, but we have not written numbers, still not counted, still not counted. All these are countable nouns. So you have to keep your mind about countable nouns. Number 1, countable nouns we can count very easily. That is the first one. Second fact is countable nouns have their singular forms and plural forms. That's it. If you have any doubt, any question regarding these countable nouns, write in the comment section. If you like this video, subscribe our channel and share with your friend. See you in our next video. Bye bye.